Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about appreciation when it comes to real estate. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. R-E-A-L, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about appreciation. Now this is in real estate. So of course I appreciate you watching this video. That's one form of appreciation. The appreciation we're talking about today is when we're talking about values of something. So when a property is purchased, right? There is no certain amount of time in which all of a sudden that property's usefulness has been worn up. Now, if the property is in need of renovations and deteriorates, of course, but if the property is maintained and kept well, even if it's outdated, it can still be of use. So therefore, there is no expiration date on the property. So properties, the general rule in real estate is properties will appreciate over time because you can continue to use it. And there's not more land being created, right? More houses are constantly being created, but as there's less land to build on, right? Even though we don't use the whole land, don't worry about that. It's a whole other video. Check that out over here. But even though land is scarce and new houses are scarce, because of that, the demand sometimes outweighs the supply. And when that happens, the appreciation goes way through the roof. And that's what you call a seller's market. So we've explained that in videos before, but this is what's happening. Property values appreciate. Of course, other things contribute to it, but once the property value appreciation goes up, then the person who bought it oftentimes looks around and says, hey, I can make a real good chunk of change if I sell right now. And that's because their property has appreciated over time. So that's what we're talking about when we say appreciate in real estate. Of course, I appreciate all my clients that work with me, my peers, and I appreciate you guys for watching this video because it's been real. It's been 90. We got to go. So be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.